I got orange blossoms in the air right now. It smells so sweet till they hit the ground. I won't save my breath for another day, 'cause the wind might come blow 'em all away. And there's orange blossoms in the air right now. The deeper I go, the more I find. Am I just fruit here on this vine, falling perfectly in time today? Or did I fall too deep in my metaphor? 'Cause I can't think of anything I wanted more than to see the colors of my seasons change. I got orange blossoms